Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create this beautiful design using this thermal color changing liquid. Of course I bought mine from Amazon, not Amazon, I'm sorry, AliExpress this time, as that's where I only found it available at that time. It took forever for it to come, but it's finally here and I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. Now, it is very small, it's only 2 grams. It's probably maybe it's going to be good for maybe 20 fingers, the most. So do watch when you do purchase it how little and what size they're actually sending you. That's kind of my issue. I never do. I just buy it and then I'm like, what, really? Anyway, but I'm happy I got it. I ordered more, so it's on the way. So today I'm going to show you how I create this beautiful red and pink design using this thermal fluid changing color. The way this design came out, it is absolutely gorgeous. I am so in love with it, and I think I'm actually going to go a little bit oof and crazy for New Year's when it comes to my nails, and this is what I'm going to be doing. Keep on watching. Basically what I did is I painted 1 coat of Madam Glen gel polish, cured it for 60 seconds. Then I applied the black gel polish, of course Madam Glen, cured it for 60 seconds. Once it's cured, you apply the thermal color, thermal liquid, and you wait, they say about 2 to 5 minutes. I waited about 10 minutes, and I think maybe because I applied a little bit too much, but it worked out, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I did do a test design on black nail polish, and on the video where I bought it from, it says apply multiple layers of the thermal liquid nail changing color thing, and I did that. Once it cured, I applied another one, and the results are not the best. So I recommend just using one thicker layer on any dark colors and just wait for it to dry, and then just use your imagination, keep on creating, and the beauty comes out when you do that. I would love to see any other videos. I've been looking for them, and there's actually a lot of them out there now, and I love the other designs what other nail artists are coming out with. So keep on watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you in my next video, which is probably going to be coming up soon. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.